Hello, good morning to one and all. Respected chief guest of today's function is online function Srimati Subhadatai Kalbande, President of his organization Mr. Nilesh Kalbande, Vice President of his organization Mrs. Manisha Matne, all coordinators, all teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and all my smart pre-primary and primary students. Today we are going to conduct online Science Day celebration. It's my great pleasure to talk on the Science Day. National Science Day we celebrated on 28th Feb on each and every year. But why do we celebrate? What's the aim of Science Day? For that, I would like to give little bit information to all students as well as to all teachers. On the same day, a greatest scientist, Raman, did invention. He was awarded by Nobel Prize. That's why we are celebrating that day. This day is celebrated to spread message about the importance of science in daily life of the people. This day is celebrated to discuss all the issues, all technologies and all implements for the development of the field of science. Again, it's celebrated to give the respect, to give the opportunity to science-minded person. Means on this Science Day, he can explore to himself about science, invention. For that one, there are technology related so many examples we are going to see. Due to the technology, we are doing progress day by day. And in that one, we will see the role of technology in today's life. For example, one example I am giving about space exploration. In that one, Mangalyaan one launched on 3rd November 2013 by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. On 24 September 2009, Science Journal reported that the Chandrayaan-1 has detected water ice on the moon. Again, at present, DRDO is a network of more than 50 laboratories. How many laboratories? More than 50 laboratories located in different cities of countries. Which one? DRDO. So the DRDO specialties are in the following field: aeronautical engineering, electronics, engineering system, combat vehicle, missiles, advanced computer, simulation, life science, spatial material, agriculture, training, etc. Another example due to technology, so cyber security. Cyber security means there are so many all social media we are using, we are putting so many data on that one. But as data, it's will be secured due to only cyber security, and it's happened because of science technology. Then again one thing, it's we are getting everything due to the technology, but how can we secure our data? What our responsibilities to secure our data on social medias? Sometimes we download anyone act. That time so many policies came there and we didn't read that one, and we always try to do allow. But it's our responsibility to save our data. We have to read that policy. After that one, you have to decide. We have to do allow, otherwise deny. It's our responsibility. Next again, because of science technology, artificial intelligence means which one technology? Artificial intelligence. For example, computers, laptops, tabs and mobiles, supercomputers. These are the examples of artificial intelligence. By using above all resources, we can explore nature. How can we explore the nature? For example, I am giving, as you know about drone cameras. Yes, anywhere you are going in big function, that time you can see the drone cameras. But if it is not practicable to go on other place, and we have to see their natural environment, nature, that time we can see by sitting at a home through the drone cameras. Like that, new technologies, due to that new technologies, we are developing as country. We are going ahead and ahead. All students, all teacher, all citizen of each and every country. It's only happened due to the science technology. How is it important? For that one, we are taking celebration in all colleges, in all schools. So in each and every field of science, we are taking that Science Day celebration in grand. Lastly, I want to convey the message to all students. It's your responsibility to honor the great scientist and their invention. Means definitely we will go ahead. Thank you all of you. Bye.